Today in this video we are solving one numerical on DC motor about how to control its speed. Controlling the speed of DC motor. The numerical is find the resistance to be added with armature to reduce the speed of a 220 volt DC motor from 1000 rpm to 800 rpm. The numerical once again, find the resistance to be added with the armature to reduce the speed of a 220 volt DC motor from 1000 rpm to 800 rpm. Now what will be the value of resistance to control the motor? The given parameter is IA1, armature current 1 is 30 ampere for 1000 rpm speed. IA2, armature current 2 is 20 ampere for 800 rpm speed. RA1, the resistance of the armature is the 0.2 ohm. 0.2 ohm. Supply voltage is 220 volt. Now find the R to be added. Now the solution. First we will find the back EMF EB1 of the motor. Back EMF, that is induced EMF in the armature, will be V minus IA1 into RA1. V minus IA1 into RA1. Voltage is 220 volt, it is supply voltage 220 volt minus 30 ampere is the current of IA1 and IA1 is 0.2. So multiplying this we will get 220 minus 6, that is 214 volt. This is equation number 1. EB1, back EMF 1 of the armature motor is 214 volt. Now second, EB2, back EMF 2, when the armature current will be 800 20 ampere, armature current will be 20 ampere. So supply voltage to 20 volt. The EB2 is equal to V minus IA2 into RA1 plus R. Supply voltage 220 minus IA2 20. RA1 given 0.2 ohm plus R, it is the resistance to be calculated. Now the 220 volt minus 20 into 0.2, that is 4 minus 20 R. So it will be 216 minus 20 R. This is the equation number 2 for EB2. Now we will divide the EB2 by EB1. Equation number 2 by equation number 1. Dividing equation number 2 by equation number 1. It will be 216 minus 20R divided by 214 volt. It will be equal to K phi 2 and 2 divided by K phi 1 and 1. This is EB2 by EB1. EB2 divided by EB1 is equal to EB2 by EB1 is equal to this, and divided by is equal to K phi 2 and 2 by K phi 1 and 1, where K is equal to Z into P by 60 into A. It is constant. It is constant. Now phi 1 barabar phi 2 because ISH shunt current remain unchanged or constant. ISH shunt current remain unchanged during change of speed. During change of speed, ISH does not change, it remains unchanged, therefore phi 1 is equal to phi 2. Flux phi 1 is equal to phi 2. Now this will be cut, phi 2 phi 1, so N2 by N1, now it will be 216 minus 20R divided by 214 is equal to N2. N2 is 800, N1 is 1000. This is 0.8. This is 0.8. So 216 minus 20R is equal to, this will be cross multiplication, 214 into 0.8 is equal to 171.1. 171.1. Therefore 20R is equal to 216 minus 171.1. 20R is equal to 216 minus 171.1. It will be 44. 44. 216 minus 71. 44.8. Therefore R is equal to 44.8 divided by 20. It will be 2.24 ohm answer. Once again, the problem is find the resistance to be added with armature to reduce the speed of a 220 volt DC motor from 1000 rpm to 800 rpm. Given IA1 is 30 ampere for 1000 rpm. IA2, this is armature current. Armature current 2 is 20 ampere for 800 rpm. Armature resistance RA1 is 0.2 ohm. Supply voltage V is equal to 20 volt. So find the R to be added. Solution. First step, we will find the back EMF EB1 of the motor. It is the V supply voltage minus IA1 RA1. Supply voltage 220 volt, IA1 30, RA1 0.2. So it is calculated as 214 volt. 214 volt, this is equation number 1. Step 2, find the back EMF EB2 of the motor. It is V minus IA2 and RA1 plus R. This is to be calculated, RA1 plus R. V is equal to 220 volt minus IA2 20, IA1 0.2 plus R. It will be 220 minus 4 minus 220 R. So finally it comes to 216 minus 20 R. This is equation number 2. Now we will divide the equation number 2 by equation number 1. Dividing equation number 2 by equation number 1, we get EB2 by EB1. Back EMF 2 divided by back EMF 1 equal to 216 minus 20R divided by 214 equal to K phi 2 N2 by K phi 1 N1. What is K? K is the constant for motor ZP by 16 to A. ZP by 16 to A, it is a constant. So K and K, it will be cancelled out. Again, phi 1 is equal to phi 2. Phi 1, phi 2 both same because the shunt current remain unchanged. Shunt current does not change. It is constant. Therefore, the flux phi 1 is equal to flux phi 2. So phi 1, phi 2 also cancel. Finally, we get 216 minus 20R divided by 214 is equal to 800 by 1000. 800 by 1000. It is equal to 0.8. Now 216 minus 20R is equal to 214 into 0.8. This is cross multiplication. So it is 171.1. Now 20R. 20R is equal to 216 minus 171.1. It is 44.8. 44.8. 20R is equal to 44.8. Therefore, R is equal to 44.8 divided by 20. So it is equal to 2.24 ohm. This we have calculated the value of R. It is 2.24 ohm. This is the answer. And while adding this resistance, the speed of the motor will be 800 RPM. From 1000 RPM to 800 RPM. So this is the method of speed control of the DC motor. I think it is very clear and there is no doubt anywhere. If any doubt, any confusion, then you can comment it or you can contact me also. It is very important numerical of DC motor, how to control with the help of resistance of the motor. एक बार हिंदी में एक मोटर है, 220 वोल्ट मोटर है, जिसका स्पीड 1000 आरपीएम से 800 आरपीएम रिड्यूस करना है, तो कितना रेजिस्टेंस आर्मेचर में ऐड करना होगा। दिया हुआ है आर्मेचर करंट 30 एम्पियर और 1000 आरपीएम, सेकेंड 20 एम्पियर फॉर 800 आरपीएम, यह दिया हुआ गिवन। आर्मेचर रेजिस्टेंस 0.2 ओम, वी सप्लाई वोल्ट 220 वोल्ट। तो हमें आर कैलकुलेट करना है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ आर। सबसे पहले हम लोग बैक ईएमएफ V1 निकालते हैं। फॉर्मूला है V माइनस IA1 इंटू RA1। V दिया हुआ है, IA1 भी दिया हुआ है। 220 माइनस 30 इंटू 0.2, इट इज 220 माइनस 6, इट इज 214 वोल्ट। यह कितना होता है फाइनली 214 वोल्ट। EB1 इज 214 वोल्ट। नाउ नेक्स्ट दूसरा स्टेप हम लोग बैक ईएमएफ EB2 निकालते हैं। फार्मूला वही अप्लाई करेंगे, V माइनस IA2। यहाँ पर रेजिस्टेंस की जगह RA1 में एक R और जुट जाएगा जो हमको निकालना है। 220 वोल्ट माइनस IA2 20 इंटू 0.2 प्लस R। यह इक्वेशन होता है 216 माइनस 20R। सेकेंड इक्वेशन EB2 216 माइनस 20R। दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2। अब हम लोग इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में भागा देते हैं इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से। इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से भागा देने पर EB2 बाई EB1 हो जाता है। ये इक्वेशन नंबर 2 है 216 माइनस 20R बटा 214 इक्वल टू K phi 2 N2। यह मोटर का फॉर्मूला है। जनरेटेड वोल्टेज इटू phi ZNP बाई 16 टू A, उसमें N और phi हम लोग ले रहे हैं। K इक्वल टू हो जाता है phi Z और P डिवाइडेड बाई 16 टू A। दिस इज कांस्टेंट। सो कांस्टेंट कैंसिल। phi 1 और phi 2 दोनों बराबर होता है, इसलिए शंट करंट कांस्टेंट है। शंट करंट जब स्पीड चेंज होता है तो शंट करंट कांस्टेंट रहता है, उसमें कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होता है। जब सेंट करंट सेम रहेगा तो फ्लक्स भी सेम रहेगा, इसलिए φ1 इक्वल टू φ2। तो यह दोनों भी कैंसिल हो गया, बचा n2 बटा n1। फाइनल इक्वेशन 216 माइनस 20/14, 800 डिवाइडेड बाई 1000, ये होता है 0.8। 216 माइनस 20i इक्वल टू 214, 214.8 इक्वल टू 171, 171.1। सो फाइनली वी गेट 20i बराबर 216 माइनस 171.1, यह घटा करके आता है 44.8, इसलिए r बराबर 44.8/20। फाइनल आंसर 2.244। This is complete, very important numerical of speed control of the motor. Thank you very much. Thank you.